What's up YouTube? This is FJ and today's video is going to be about KUHN RIKON. I think that's how you pronounce it. So basically, I think for the past few months, No Frills was having a promo where if you were to collect 20 stamps, you would be able to get 75% off one of the KUHN RIKON Cookware. You have to spend $20 before tax to get one stamp. So once you collect 20 stamps, you can use that pamphlet to trade it in for a 75% voucher off one of these cookware. So I just wanted to kind of talk about it. You can see here we've accumulated 4 pieces. I'm a fan, but again, your mileage may vary based on what you've used in the past. I don't know if you guys know, like, you know, Cuisinart or Paderno or DeLonghi or any of those fancy cookware brands, but I'm coming from like hand-me-down Ikea pots and pans, and like even the like rock, I think it was called like iRock or rock, like non-stick type pans. But yeah, basically the first one we picked up was this. I think it was I think it says here up to 5 liters, 5-liter pot, and the quality is really good. Like, I mean, I don't know, you guys have, if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering for yourself if you should buy it or if it's worth it. And I think, you know, based on the price point, when I see, like, I've seen this brand on Amazon's, or it's more than $100 per piece. I've seen it in other listings on Google, and I just wanted to, I guess, say that we've been very happy with it. I like the quality of, at least, like, first, the pots were the best in terms of what I think the value. You get a really, like, substantial, like, heavy, beefy lid here, and it has the hole there, I guess, for steam. And you've got a strainer there too, with the spout on the end of this pot if you want to drain. So we've used this for pasta, we've used it for even making rice, and yeah, other stews, and like I've made like adobo. I'm like a Filipino dish, adobo, in this as well. We liked it so much that we wanted to get the smaller one as well. I think anything with the lid, like the value is there, because I just feel like it's for the price you're getting more for the piece. The most expensive that you could purchase was the wok. Also comes with a lid, 30-centimeter wok. The non-stick, it's not exactly Teflon. It's like their own version of Teflon. I feel like it feels like even more textured, like it's like a brush material, but it's been great. Easy to clean. Some water. I just use like a washing brush. I don't like scrub very hard or use a scour pad or anything like that. I mean, you should still use some oil when you're cooking, but in here, my wife did make like stuffed peppers in like a tomato sauce, and the lid's very nice as well. Again, you get the hole there for steam, a good seal, and that quality base that sits on our range, our stovetop. So nice handle there for stability too. And we also got I think this is the 30-centimeter frying pan. Again, stick, also with their version of Teflon nonstick. Luckily, we had already from like a previous hand-me-down a glass lid that like fit perfectly. Sorry, I just put that there. Fits perfectly along the edge of the pan and sits flush, just based on the design of the lip of this lid. Kind of just sits perfectly in the pan. So yeah, would I recommend it? If you're coming from something like cheap hand-me-down and you want to like upgrade your set for a decent deal, I think like this was around $32. This was like $26 after the discounts. The wok was $40, and this frying pan was like $32. Again, 75% off the regular retail price, so they were like $160 before the voucher. My family's been very kind to like help collect stamps for me too when they've been doing their grocery shopping. So I think the last one we're probably gonna want to buy is the smaller frying pan for like maybe one pancake at a time, or like eggs if you just want to make some eggs. So that's probably the last piece we're gonna do. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about like, I guess my experience, we've had these for maybe just about a month, and some of these pieces we've just had for like a week. Like this one we've had for a week. The first one we bought, we've had this like maybe like over a month ago, a little over a month, and like I said, we've been very happy with them. I wanted to replace all my like hand-me-down old pan pot set with something more quality, and I do have confidence that this is going to last us a while. I will say, just noticing here, like there's not a lot of movement on this lid on the 5-liter, but for this is the 3-liter, and for this one I feel there's a little bit more movement on this lid. So I don't know if that's like a temperature thing, or you guys might have a different experience with what you picked up, but this was the last one from that particular No Frills. But yeah, I don't think it's a big deal. Still sits flush on the edge. I just feel like there's a bit more spacing on that lid. Not sure if you guys can test that before you buy it. But yeah, the hot pieces are definitely the wok and the pots. They go fast, and then like every week they do have like a replenished stock in the stores, but like there's no way they guarantee what day that is. So I'd say like just keep checking, you know, in the middle of the week. I'd go in like on a Monday or Tuesday if I'm looking for something that's not there, and then we got lucky Thursday. We got the we were able to pick it up on Thursday. So yeah. Anyway, KUHN RIKON No Frills deal. I recommend it. I think it's for the price to like quality, and I've seen, and like my parents and I've seen other friends who had like Paderno and the other brand names, like Italian brand names. I think KUHN RIKON, it says Swiss design. It says the Netherlands. But yeah, quality feels good, substantial, and easy to clean, and I've been happy with the cookware so far. Let me know guys if you have any questions in the comments below, or let us know how you've liked, or if you had any issues with the KUHN RIKON cookware. I'd like to find out too if anyone knows any more information about the tech that they use for Teflon. Again, it's not called Teflon, it's their own version of like the non-stick coating. Recently I've seen some social media posts about like the dangers of Teflon, so I wonder if you guys have any more information on that, but please share that with us too. Like, subscribe, you know, I'll hit the notification bell. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.